Yo, what is up everybody? I am Ash and today I'm back with another video, and today we are going to be ripping, that's right you guys, some Prizm. I got 2 Cello packs or whatever you want to call these, and I got 1 mega box. You guys, I am super hyped. I finally found them and I was hyped, and of course I didn't find them during one of the card hunting videos because I was just going to the store, get some groceries, and boom, there they were. But I found them, you guys, and I'm excited to rip them. I'm very excited. I think we're gonna start off with the packs first, and then we will move into the mega box. So I say without any further ado, let's get into this. All right, we'll start off with pack number 1. So in these packs, they are the red, white, and blue. You get 1 bonus, or no, not 1 bonus card. Well, 1 bonus card pack. And I will open up these and save that for last. Open up this bad boy. All right. Starting it off with Ken Anderson. Up next, Mike Gesicki. Devin Bush. Michael. Patrick Mahomes, let's go. Going in the PC for sure. Gotta love Patrick Mahomes, right? He's just straight fire. Montez, Jimmy, Kawan Short, Bobby Wagner, ooh, Fireworks, Daniel Hunter. Bro, Fireworks looks badass, bro. Ooh. Shenault for our rookie card. Emergent, we got James Porsche something, and that is going to conclude the first pack. Kids reporter card. Whew, you guys, we got Patty Mahomes. I'm hyped about that. No, none of the 3 big rookies we were looking for, but you know, it is what it is. I'll take the Patrick Mahomes. Open this bad boy up. Red, white, and blue, we got Willie McGinnis something. Up next, we got Dak Prescott, and for our last card, we got Joshua Kelly. All right, not the Charger we were looking for, but that is okay. Pretty cool. Red, white, and blue cards. I like them. You know, I don't know. I'd say Rookies and Stars is probably one of my favorites, but I don't know. I just like the design, the artwork, but it is a personal opinion again. But on to the next pack. Save that for last. Let's see. Starting it off, we have Ryan Fitzpatrick. And then we got Minka Fitzpatrick, Gardner Minshew, Nicole Hardman, Bryce Love, and we got Keelan Doss, Calvin Ridley, Mike Evans. Go Adrian. Come on, let's pull some fire. What do we got? For green, we have Stephen Gilmore, New England Patriots. What's this? Okay, we got Unstoppable Raekwon Smith for the Bears. Pretty dope looking card. Up next, we have Gabriel Davis and a Kids Reporter card. No way, bro. Heck yeah. Straight fire. All right, come on, baby, come on. Pull a Herbert. Herbert. Let's see if this is the right one. Yeah, this is the right one. Kenny Golday. Byron Murphy. And Jerry Jeudy for our rookie. Red, white, and blue. Nothing too crazy. Not a bad rookie either. But, you know, would have liked one of the big three. But that was, yeah, that concluded the first packs. And now we will do the, whatchamacallit, the mega. Let me just get these sorted out. Alright, 5 minutes in, this will be a bit of a longer video, but oh well. Alright, up next, the mega, boys. The big boy. Alright, I'm hyped. Come on, bro. Let's pull a good autograph out of this. You get 1 autograph per box on average. So here, let me do this so I don't knock over the camera. Alright, get that plastic off. So we got 4 cards per pack, 5 packs per box. You guys, I'm hyped. I'm hyped. We're gonna pull some freaking fire out of this one. 100%. Alright. Got the packs. I'm gonna mix them up. Alright. Oops, almost knocked over the camera. Alright, starting off with the first pack in the megas. If I could get it open, we are going to get, for our first card, Antonio Gates. Flip that over because it's upside down. Jordan Brooks for a rookie. Oh no way, is this already our auto? Jerry Jeudy. Oh wait, you guys, is this a silver? I believe it is, actually. That was my bad, I didn't even notice. We got a Jerry Jeudy. Oh, let's go. We got a Jerry Jeudy Denver Broncos Premier mem card. Dude, I'm always pulling the Jeudy mem cards. 100%. Almost every video I pull a mem card of Jerry Jeudy's. Been following me around. And we got AJ for our last card in the pack. Alright, nothing too crazy in the first pack. On to the next pack though, and we are starting it off with Jonathan Ogden. We got Chandler Jones. And then we have a pink Isaiah something. Denzel Mims and our Kids Reporter card. Alright, nothing too crazy again in that pack. On to the next pack though. We have 2 more packs after this. We can get it open. Let's see. Alright, there we go. There we go. Upside down, starting it off with a Kevin Byard, DJ Metcalf, and a pink Jalen Johnson, and that's our auto. Is this our auto, bro? Honestly, I have no idea who this guy is for the Chicago Bears. Is this numbered in any way? No, it's not numbered. Bro, I'm kind of hoping this was not our auto, but if it is, that's the auto we pulled. I don't really know who this is, don't really know what his cards are going for, but it is what it is. We'll put that over here. And we got a Devin Asiasi. All right. So I'm guessing that was probably our auto. Don't really know who he is. Don't really know what that's going for. So I don't know. But on to our next pack. We have yet to pull one of the bigger rookies. But again, that's okay. We have David, Darius Sultan. And for our pink, we have a Greg Zerline, something. What is that, bro? Is that like a big scratch or a big print line? That's kind of ugly. But up next for our rookie, we have CJ Henderson and Kids Reporter. All right, again, nothing too crazy. All right, you guys, this is the last pack. Come on, pull us some fire. Pull us some fire. And we have, starting it off, Stephon Diggs. And then we have a Cameron Jordan. For our pink, bro, I got excited. Kenyon Allen. Bro, I thought that was, oh man. Not the Charger we were looking for, but that's okay. And for our last card, we have Kenneth Murray. All right, you guys, that is the last pack, last card we pull out of the Prizm. This is what we got. More of the bigger cards. We got this guy. Again, don't really know who he is, to be honest with you. Then we got our Judy Mim card and Patty Mahomes. Gotta love Patty Mahomes, bro. So, what I can tell, honestly, I don't know. They're all right. So this is a silver, I believe, right? Jordan Brooks. The red, white, and blue cards look pretty cool. Kenny Golladay. We got, oh yeah, we got the Judy. I swear he's been following me around, bro. Joshua Kelly, Dak Prescott. So you guys, not a bad pull, not some bad pulls, not a bad rip, nothing too crazy again, but I enjoyed it, you guys. I've been looking forward to ripping Prizm. Probably will do more in the future if I ever get lucky and find some again. But yeah, that's pretty much what we pulled. Nothing too crazy, but I enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you do, you guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the channel. It'll help me out a lot, and I hope everyone has a good day. Peace.